Go.
Alright guys, today we're trying out a new product by TKTK. We have these acne patches. There's two different types, okay? We have one that adds tea tree oil and calendula oil, and it says that it heals acne fast, reduces swelling and inflammation, and it's alcohol-free for sensitive skin, okay? And then we have this other one that has salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, and aceticoside. And it says those are acne fighting ingredients. Okay, so today we're gonna try this one out. Okay guys, so these acne patches come in a container like this, and it contains 9 of them. Okay, so one package comes with 9 of them, and it looks like there's little micro needles inside the patches, and that's what's gonna be administering the medication to the acne. And there's also these adhesive outsides that are going to allow it to attach to your skin. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out. It looks like you have to peel this back in order to get one. Okay, and then you just remove it. And then you're gonna place it on your acne spot. The adhesive seems to stick very nicely once you rub it on. Okay, and then you just let it sit there. Now we're gonna add a few more just to cover all my acne spots and see if this works. This could be a good solution if you have acne, or my acne is caused from wearing the face mask. So that might also be something that you can look into, using these to get rid of the acne that's caused from using a face mask.